Hello, AP Computer Science A students, and welcome to another beautiful day of digital learning in computer science. Today is May 5th, so let's go ahead and get started. Today's question of the day. Recursive methods usually have a return type rather than being void and must take a parameter. Do you believe this statement is true or false? After analyzing this statement, I'm sure you came to the conclusion that this is a true statement, that recursive methods do have a return type, and they do take in a parameter so that you can eventually reach base case. Make sure you go over to It's Learning, find question of the day for May 5th, and mark true. Today's assignments are to watch the daily overview video, which you're doing right now, and complete question of the day. I would like you to read and watch The Towers of Hanoi in the Unit 10 lesson. You will then complete Question for Thought 10.2 regarding the Towers of Hanoi. You'll watch the video on merge sorts, and if you're taking the AP test, it is very important that you read the important information on AP test from College Board and that you access the practice demo test. The demo exam became live on May 4th. You should receive the link via email, the email address that you used to register for the AP test. You can also access the demo by following cb.org/apdemo. After clicking on the link, it will ask you to enter your AP ID number. If you don't have your AP ID number, you can just type in practice. Your AP ID number will be on your e-ticket for actual exams, which can also be accessed through My AP Classroom. The goal of the demo exam is to allow students to get a feel for the platform, decide which device you want to take the exam on, and decide how you will submit your work, whether you will copy and paste, whether you're going to submit a picture or an attachment. And then missing assignments. The last day to submit missing assignments is May 22nd for grades 9 through 11. And because we do need to finalize senior grades, the last day for seniors to submit missing assignments is May 15th. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can reach me via It's Learning, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.